Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update CSS grid layouts for responsive web design step by step clearly. Start by assessing the current CSS grid layout. Identify the elements that need to be responsive. Open your CSS file or style block where the grid is defined. Locate the grid container in your CSS. Check the properties such as grid template columns and grid template rows. Determine the breakpoints for your design. Use media queries to apply different grid styles at different screen sizes. Start with the largest breakpoint. Define a grid layout that works well on larger screens. For example, set grid template columns to a multiple of your design layout. Next, define styles for medium-sized screens. Use a media query for screens between 768 pixels and 1024 pixels. Adjust grid template columns to accommodate fewer columns. For instance, switch from a 3-column layout to a 2-column layout. Now, move on to smaller screen breakpoints. Use a media query for screens smaller than 768 pixels. Change the grid layout to a single column. Set grid template columns to 1fr for this layout. Consider the spacing between grid items. Adjust padding and margins as needed for each breakpoint. Review your layout in a browser on different devices. Test the responsiveness of your grid layout across various screen sizes. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Finally, ensure that all content is readable and well structured on every screen size. Save your CSS file and refresh your browser. Confirm that the updates are displayed correctly. Continue to refine your grid layout as needed to improve usability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.